Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. On this occasion, the Puasanya computer channel in collaboration with Pidie Mengaji Asian will discuss the very important topic of the end of Ramadan. Watch the video until the end. May Allah give us all religious understanding. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have religious questions, you can write them in the comments column below. Today's topic is about 3 people whose fasting was not accepted by Allah. The prayer of the Angel Gabriel was confirmed directly by the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. 1. Children who are disobedient to their parents. O Allah, I beg you, do not accept the fast of a child who is disobedient to his mother and father, prayed Jibril. The prayer was immediately agreed by the Prophet. 2. A wife who is disobedient to her husband. O Allah, I beg you, do not accept the fast of a wife who is disobedient to her husband, prayed Jibril. The prayer was immediately agreed by the Prophet. 3. Muslims who don't want to forgive their brothers. O Allah, I beg you, do not accept the fast of a Muslim who does not want to forgive his fellow Muslim brothers, prayed Jibril. The prayer was again agreed by the Messenger of Allah. Thanks.